is for?
Orange.
O is for?
Octopus.
O is for?
Axis.
No, it's not. O is for?
Axis.
O is for?
Axis.
What is this? It's?
Oh.
O is for?
Owl.
Good job. Okay, look at here. How do you this one? It's? It's?
Cat.
This one is?
Carrot.
Good job, carrot. Next, this one is? This one is? Good job. Next. This one is?
Whoosh.
Good. Last one.
Ow.
Row.
Ow.
Row. Good job. High five.